Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can solve the problem of setting passwords to block some specific chat and WhatsApp app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes and also write your comments. And let us get started with you friends. In order for you to set a password for any particular chat, you need to open the WhatsApp app and then you need to tap and hold on the chat. Now, on the right side of the top, tap on the three dots and select Lock Chat. Next, tap on Continue. And now you'll need to either scan your fingerprint or you'll need to enter a password, which you use to unlock your phone. Now to find such a locked chat, you will need to swipe down from the top and you will see all your locked chats in the list. To get to them, you will also need to either scan your fingerprint or enter your password. It goes like this. But what if this feature doesn't work? Then friends, I recommend you to go to Settings. To do that, you'll need to swipe down from the top. On the right side, click on the gear at the top and then find in your settings where you can set a password to lock your phone. Because locking chats in WhatsApp directly depends on what you have set to lock your Android device itself. And after that, friends, once you set a password on your phone, no matter what, it can be a fingerprint or a 4-digit password or a 6-digit password or some symbol. Once you set a password on your phone, you can also set a password for certain chats in WhatsApp as I have shown you. Friends, this is the very simple, quick way you can easily solve the problem of setting password for a particular chat in WhatsApp app. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes, friends, and also write your comments. Goodbye.